Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help and support section on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the play button. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the help and support option. Here you can find different articles and information about the application and the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.